Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Abel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of my YouTube setup, showing you the different lights I use, the different cameras I use, and my whole setup. If you're interested in making YouTube videos, just do it. I've known a lot of people that talk about starting a YouTube channel and say, oh, I've always wanted to do that. But the vast majority of people don't take the steps to actually sit down in front of a camera and record videos. And all you really need is just a smartphone. As you get more stuff, you'll want to level up your equipment more, and I'm kind of a hobbyist, and I like to spend my money on a bunch of garbage that I don't need. So I'm going to show you all the stuff I've bought over the years, and hope you guys enjoy. This is the green screen I record most of my videos on now. I bought the green screen for $20 off of Amazon, and I hung it on a curtain rod above my doors, and I just roll it up around the curtain rod to hide it away when I'm not using it. It makes it where I can put whatever background I want on the videos, and also makes it for a much cleaner looking setup. So to light the green screen, I have two lights. I have my newer softbox lights. I bought those off of Amazon for about $70. I'll leave a link to this below in the description. They're probably one of the better purchases I've made. I wish I invested in lighting before I invested in cameras, because lighting actually makes your videos look so much better than if you have a low quality camera and great lighting. It'll get you a lot further than low quality lighting with good cameras. They're just one single bulb softboxes, and they just light up whatever I'm working on at the time. Then I have this other light. This is my ring light. I built this in a DIY project a couple months ago. It can be whatever color I want. And the nice thing about this is it kind of adds like the circle in your eyes or something if you're just recording with just it. I don't like the way that it does some things and stuff, and it just really wasn't providing enough light. I still use it now and then in videos to get different effects and stuff. And for my cameras, my primary camera is a Canon T5i with a Rode Video Micro on it. I just love this camera since I got it. I started with a Nikon D5100, which I still have. That's right here. And I use this primarily for my B-roll or my second shot if I have a second camera, second angle in my videos. So I'll set this over on the side. Mix it up a little because it gets kind of annoying watching someone from just one angle constantly. This is just a Nikon D5100 with just the kit lens. But I didn't like the way that Nikon does their video. It's just not as easy to adjust the settings and stuff. Like, you can't adjust the ISO in video manually, which I didn't really like. So I was looking to switch to Canon, and I saw this Canon T5i for sale. I've loved it ever since. It's much quieter autofocus in the videos, so I can use autofocus, where on this one I had to only use my manual focus. Got really annoying. Those are my cameras. If you're gonna start YouTube though, get a DSLR, because the manual settings, ability to adjust your shutter speed, ISO, and your aperture gives you a lot more power and a lot more creative ability when you're shooting video. So those are my cameras. And then I have a couple lenses here. I have a Canon 50mm f1.8. It's great for getting like a blurry background because of the wide open aperture. And then I have a Canon 70 to 300mm, and this is just really when I wanted some zoom for my photography. Still use it for video every now and then to shoot something that's a long ways away. But for my primary lens, I just use the kit lens because it has the silent autofocus, and it also has image stabilization in it. And then as far as software, right now I use iMovie, but I'm looking to upgrade to Final Cut Pro, and I'm actually using the trial version of that right now. I like iMovie, but it's very limited as far as features go. Like, you can't have multiple, you can only have up to 2 channels of video at once. And the problem with that is I often have 2 or 3 things going on, and I want to be able to showcase them all at once, especially like in music videos where you want to be able to have a guitar player and a piano player in a background. So like, if I change out the background of this video, then I can't have it merge into another video of me with the background changed out without doing some exporting, and I find that really frustrating. So I think I'm going to upgrade to Final Cut Pro. I was actually going to prefer Premiere Pro has a subscription model, so you're subscribing at $20 or $30 a month, I think it is, to their software, and that's at the end of the year you're paying $200, you don't own the software. And so every year you're paying about $300 for video software. I simply just don't use enough to use. Where if I'm buying Final Cut Pro, it's $300 outright, and then I just have the software to use. I can't use that type of budget without making money off. That's my YouTube setup, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about YouTube gear or cameras or lighting or any of that type of stuff, be sure to leave them down below in the comments. I'm a total nerd, and I love audio and video and photography, and I just like to talk about that type of stuff. So that's my YouTube setup, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, something I just remembered is my camera strap on my camera. A lot of people ask me questions about that. It's a leather strap, $20 off of Amazon for us. I'll leave a link to that also in the description. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about my YouTube setup, be sure to leave them down below, and God bless. These are my lights to keep my set lit. Why did I say that? That was awkward. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to check out my channel here to subscribe, or check out a previous video here or here. Here is my scripture of the day. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. God bless.